Okay guys, just to start us off, I am going to be using a total of 3 palettes. So I'm going to be using, and you don't have to have these palettes, you can have like similar colors, but I'm using the the ColourPop Dream Street palette, which just looks like this. ASMR. It's really pretty, really good. And then I'm using the Peach palette, which it's old, like I have mine. My little brother, you know how it's like scented? He like freaking chewed it up. So yeah, I'm using that. And then I'm using the Yes Please. And in all of these, I'm using at least one color, but like I said, you can just use similar colors. So yeah. And pretty much that's it. So let's just jump right into this. Okay, so the first thing you do is you're gonna prime your lids. I'm priming my lids with the Instant Angel line. This is like my go-to. I always use it in the shade light pale. I kind of want it to be bright, a bright base, just so the colors can pop on top. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So how's your February treating you? Today's my birthday, actually, the day I'm filming this. Yeah, I skipped school and I requested off from work, so go me. Okay, the next thing you're gonna do after you have that done, you're gonna take the Yes Please palette if you have it, and I'm gonna go in with Champs, this light pink color, and then put it all over my lid. So yeah, let's do that real quick. Okay guys, once you have that on your lid, I'm going to be going into the Sweet Peach palette, and then I'm going to be taking Candied Peach, the one right here, and then I'm going to be putting that in the crease of my eye. Once you have it on your crease, it should look like that. It's like really kind of bright, not really bright, but bright enough. I'm going to be going with Dream Street. This is like the only color I'm going to be using in there. I'm going to take this color right here. It's called Spark. And I'm just going to be putting it right here and like lifting it up. If that makes sense. You're going to watch it. And I'm just taking a different brush because it is a darker color than all the other shades. So I'm just using this brush right here. And yeah! Woohoo! Okay. Oh my god. Okay guys, once your eye looks like that, the Dream Street palette did take over much of the crease area, so I'm gonna be going back. I'm gonna go back in with the Champs and then Candied Peach, and then just putting that back in my crease, and yeah. Okay, once you have it like that, I'm gonna be taking Candied Peach again and putting that into my crease. Okay guys, once you do that, I'm gonna be cutting my crease, so I'm using the Master Conceal by Maybelline. Oh my god! The Master Conceal by Maybelline, and it is in the color medium, 30 light medium. So yeah, I'm just gonna be putting it on my hand and then putting it on my lid. Now once you have your cut crease, the shimmer shade that I'm using is gonna be, it's called Just Peachy from the Peach palette, and I'm just gonna be putting that all on the lid where the cut crease is, and I'm taking a lot because I want it to really pop. So yeah, so I'm just gonna be putting that on my lid. Okay. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm going into the Dream Street palette again, and I'm gonna be taking Spark, and I'm just gonna be putting that on the outside right here and just buffing it up just a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking Just Peachy again, and I am gonna be mixing it with this little highlighter palette thingy that I have is like purple, and I'm just going to be mixing those both together and putting them both in my corner, my eye corner. Okay guys, we're done with the makeup look. I'm going to be taking the Ardell Wispies and putting them on my eye. I'll be right back because I can't do it on camera. It takes me too long to do it, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, once you have your eyelashes on, oh my god. Okay, once you have your eyelashes on, I'm just going to be priming my face and moisturizing it real quick. I use the Pond's.
It's me.
I use the Pond's moisturizer. It just looks like this. And then the primer that I'm going to use, you already know what it is. It is the Too Faced Hangover. Because it's the best stuff ever. So yeah, let me just do that real quick. Okay guys, the next thing I'm going to do is taking the Master Conceal by Maybelline. Y'all know I don't put on foundation. I just don't like it. So I'm just going to use the Master Conceal and just putting this all over my blemishes. Well, actually, I'm so sorry. I'm taking the Maybelline color corrector stick and I'm putting this all over my blemishes, and then I'm using the Master Conceal. So let's just do that. Highlighting my face with this highlighter. It's really pretty.
That's pretty.
And yeah, I'm looking for the brush and putting it on.
For a video?
Yeah. Last thing I'm going to do is do my makeup, my lips. So I'm just taking the L'Oreal Infallible in Mauve, and then I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Infallible Matte in Nude Luvu. Okay guys, so this is the full makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. Oh, I also added this heart. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day. If you don't have a boo, I love you.
Slide on the pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of bitches in the icy chain. While you claim that you rich, that's a false claim. I'll be straight to the whip, no